Welcome back or welcome. As you can see, we are not at Lebanon like I said we were going to be.
Came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
Jordy is still waiting for the trailer brake control for the Sequoia to connect the trailer, and I still have no wipers to street drive my car. But the good news is it's finally registered again, so I can street drive eventually. Just need to fix my wipers, which is going to be the main focus of this video. And Jordy's oil pan is it's leaking again.
Wah, wah.
Let's get into it. I love that right after that clip was taken, it stopped raining. Still gonna fix my wipers today though. Had to move it before we got started. You look good in that thing.
I don't fit in it, but it's cool.
Too small?
Yeah, I can't touch the pedals.
That's funny.
Scraping ass, goddamn. You got a taillight out.
Do I?
Yeah, your taillight's not on.
Actually?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Made you look.
First things first, gotta take off the quick release hub, and this is why you always keep the box and everything that's included. It's the specific Allen key. It's right here. Jordy loves putting things back in the hole.
Keeps them in a safe place.
I had to be sure.
Jesus Christ, Kai.
Came off. I had such difficulty with this when I installed
Oh my
it, so
God.
I just want to make sure it came off. So I couldn't grab my phone in time, but we use a 3-jaw puller to pull off the hub instead of putting a steering wheel on.
And doing the...
Totally forgot the picture. Of course, taking off the clamshell, but it's 3 simple screws. Next step is going to be putting the fuse back in so we can show you what the issue is. Fuse is in. Now if you can direct your attention to the front of the class.
Tell the people what happens, Kai.
My wipers are off. Now they're high speed.
Looks like the same speed to me.
Yeah, medium speed.
We turn them off again? Oh man, that's crazy. They just keep going.
That's the issue.
Wow, we should fix that. Let's get to it.
Thanks to our master researcher.
We have a lot of work to do. Kylie decided to just cut random wires not knowing what they do.
Typical Kylie fashion.
And now we have to trace the wires to find where the discrepancy is within the system because it's obviously f***ed up somewhere. So now we have to find it. Do they stop?
No.
20 minutes later.
So it's very rare that I say this, but Jordy was right and I was wrong.
Yep, soak it in.
I'm gonna need a new combination switch because we played around off camera and this is the wire for the wipers. It's perfectly fine. The only reason why they're not on right now with the key is because Jordy unplugged this plug, which sends power to the motor. It's also for my turn signals. So without this plugged in, nothing's gonna work. For the time being, I'm gonna leave the fuse unplugged unless it's raining because at least they're stuck at a decent speed. Can't be mad about that, I guess. I'm gonna look into some combination switches. I already messaged some part outs on Facebook Marketplace and we'll go from there. But for now, we have to get started on Jordy's E36 and replace his oil pan. How fun! We love a wiring and mechanical combination. Let's get into that. And we're back! What you got, Jordan?
Bunch of hoopla.
Sounds like a lot of... Hoopla! It sounds like a lot of... Hoopla! Sounds like a...
Hoopla! Hoopla! So if you guys don't remember Jordy's old engine, this is the old oil pan. Want to tell them the game plan?
Exactly what we did. 7 videos ago.
He wants to save the oil.
It's like I'm panning for gold.
Pan is clean, wheels are off. Jordy already frustrated.
I'm reusing the oil, nobody talks about it. Brand new.
See if Jordy's got quick hands.
This guy really hopes he does.
Not bad. Grant would be proud.
Watch. Brand new. I didn't even turn the car on.
On another episode of Ittai and Jordy's Adventures.
Just a man waiting for his oil to completely drain. Step 2. Up, down, jump around. Watch out, watch out. You're in my leg room.
Okay. Yeah, exactly. I couldn't get it, so yes, you could definitely do it, baby. Come on.
Hell yeah, bud. Pry bar time.
Screwdriver time. Don't want to lose any bolts.
I'm skipping all the good stuff because this is literally the 3rd time we've had to do this. So it's
Second time.
okay. Jordy said second time. Second time in the car.
There you go.
But it's not worth showing because we already did it. We already showed it. Check it out.
Unless we really start struggling, we'll pick it up.
She's coming down. Will Jordy meet his maker part 2 on this?
It's loose. I got the bowl out. All right. Back up.
Smack that oil pan. Smack that oil pan.
1 hour later.
Definitely skipped a few steps. But we ate, we recharged. Oil pan is off. Jordy is still in good lights, good spirits. Oil pan is off for now. We will be back tomorrow. And we are back on day 2 of replacing Jordy's oil pan.
Day 8, technically.
What?
Did it 3 times, so multiply it. Day 8. Day 8, we're back.
You guys know what I mean. Anyways, we're going to get Dunkin' per usual, then to the shop. See you there. Okay, I lied. The first stop is Advanced Auto Parts.
Need our TV.
Here you go. Cheers. Let's get started. You got my hair on your coffee cup. Left a mess last night, huh? Before we get started, Spoon's gonna go look at a truck.
Quick side quest.
Road trip. Is this the first official road trip in this thing?
No, we went to the pest factory.
Farmland. Where's the cows?
Nah, they don't got that here.
Damn.
Dude, Spoon got a new truck. No way. That's sick.
Side quest complete. Back to the shop we go. First wash?
First wash.
Oh yeah. Good job, Spoon. Acetone and scuff, baby. Pride's dying in the back. Clean one last time. Our TV. Sticker on. Wait for it to dry. Assemble everything while we're at it. Careful. Nice. Do you need help?
I might.
I'm gonna time lapse this part. We are so close to the finish line, guys.
I can taste it.
Yum yum. Let's see if your engine falls down. Oh yeah, brother. Fluids tomorrow, though.
Yeah, I'm letting it cure overnight. How'd you know that? You were in here when I said that?
No, I just am smart. And that concludes this week's video. Jordy just needs to put oil in his car and then start driving it. So I'm not going to show that, but please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next week.